More breaking news coming in of Bihar Deputy Chief Minister's intruder jibe at Stalin, where Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Samrat has said that intruders come and they go. This attack, of course, launched against M.K. Stalin, joining that Bihar rally as a show of strength for the opposition, where Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Samrat, has said that Lalu hosts abusers of Bihar and Sanatan. Stalin had attended Rahul Gandhi's rally in Bihar and BJP launched a full-fledged attack. This is the latest response coming in from Samrat, the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, where he termed Stalin an intruder and abuser of Bihar and Sanatan. Listen in.
लालू प्रसाद जी ने जिस तरह इन लोगों को बुलाकर बिहार के लोगों को अपमानित करने का काम किया, जो लोग बिहारी को गाली देते हैं, रेवंत रेड्डी हो, पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री रहे हो तत्कालीन, कांग्रेस पार्टी हो या सनातन का विरोध करने वाले स्टालिन का परिवार हो, यह स्पष्ट झलकता है कि बिहार जैसे राज्य को जिन जिन लोगों ने गाली दिया उसको लालू परिवार बिहार बुला रहा है, बिहार के चुनाव में बुला रहा है। ये स्पष्ट संदेश है, बिहारियों को गाली देने वाले लोगों का संरक्षण लालू प्रसाद जी का परिवार कर रहा है।
And cutting across to Rohit Singh, who now joins us on the broadcast. Rohit, this attack on expected lines clearly, and the BJP had been criticizing it full on. But this latest response, calling M.K. Stalin an abuser of Sanatan of Bihar, a stinging attack. Rohit?
Hello.
All right, not too sure if Rohit is still connected with us. We'll try and reconnect that line. But you heard how this politics is escalating over the Bihar bike rally. I beg your pardon, the Bihar rally that was carried out in full swing. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Tejashwi Yadav joined by M.K. Stalin and Kanimoi on that jeep. Clearly, a rally that has not gone down well with the BJP that now launches an attack. And this is the response coming in from Samrat, where he termed Stalin an intruder, saying intruders come and go, saying Lalu hosts abusers of Bihar and Sanatan. Rohit, if you can hear me, a stinging attack.
Well, absolutely. The voter Adhikar Yatra of the Mahagathbandhan, which is currently underway, has come under attack from the BJP, especially after some leaders from the south, some chief ministers from the south have now made their entry into Bihar. Yesterday we saw Revanth Reddy, the Telangana chief minister, who was there in the voter Adhikar Yatra with Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka, and today we are seeing M.K. Stalin, the Tamil Nadu chief minister, also taking part in this entire voter Adhikar Yatra which is going on. And especially Samrat Chaudhary has hit out at both these leaders, and as far as Revanth Reddy is concerned, remember in 2023 he gave a controversial remark regarding the Bihari DNA, where he said, where he compared the Bihari DNA with the Telangana DNA, and that was a controversial remark, and where he said that the Telangana DNA was more superior than the Bihari DNA, and that comment of him has now come back to haunt him and also Rahul and Priyanka when Revanth Reddy was in Bihar yesterday participating in that yatra. And Samrat Chaudhary claims that both Rahul and Priyanka and other host of leaders of the Mahagathbandhan are calling such controversial leaders who are speaking against the Bihari pride and speaking against people of Bihar to this voter Adhikar Yatra, and this is not acceptable to the people of Bihar. And also remember how Stalin has always taken a stand against Hindi. So, and Bihar remains a Hindi heartland. So these two leaders' presence in the voter Adhikar Yatra has now triggered a massive controversy, with the BJP hitting out at Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi for involving and bringing these two leaders to Bihar, and both of these leaders participating in the this yatra which is currently underway. Back to you.
Fact is, Rohit, that those in the opposition may have had their internal differences in the past, and these kind of differences that are thrown back at them by the BJP when they are put together in the present context. Now, when they are asked, they say that this unison is because their fight is against the BJP. But such attacks that will end up biting them in the back.
Well, see, it's an election year, so every little thing is going to be triggered into a massive controversy, and that is why we are seeing that it's elections in Bihar. Bihar is considered to be a Hindi heartland, and when you bring a leader like Revant Reddy to Bihar to participate in the Mahagathbandhan Yatra, the Voter Adhikar Yatra, and remember, this leader 2 years back had given controversial remarks against the Bihari DNA, and where he said that the Telangana DNA was superior and that the Bihari DNA was inferior. So these kinds of comments are not going down well with the people of Bihar, and that is why the BJP has now latched on to this opportunity of hitting out at the Congress top brass for involving Revant Reddy as well as MK Stalin in the Voter Adhikar Yatra. And it remains a big question that these two leaders who are now in Bihar, is this only going to help Mahagathbandhan in any way, or is it going to damage them as far as the Bihar and Bihari voters are concerned? Back to you.
Oh yes, we wait and watch how this pans out. In the meanwhile, this latest response that has come in from the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Samrat, let's listen in to what he said.
लालू प्रसाद जी ने जिस तरह इन लोगों को बुलाकर बिहार के लोगों को अपमानित करने का काम किया, जो लोग बिहारी को गाली देते हैं, रेवंत रेड्डी हो, पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री रहे हो तत्कालीन, कांग्रेस पार्टी हो, या सनातन का विरोध करने वाले स्टालिन का परिवार हो, यह स्पष्ट झलकता है कि बिहार जैसे राज्य को जिन जिन लोगों ने गाली दिया उसको लालू परिवार बिहार बुला रहा है, बिहार के चुनाव में बुला रहा है। ये स्पष्ट संदेश है, बिहारियों को गाली देने वाले लोगों का संरक्षण लालू प्रसाद जी का परिवार कर रहा है।
And well, the vote chori allegation that has become the biggest flank for Rahul Gandhi and Tejashwi Yadav in Bihar as they go on to complain about the electoral rolls and the controversy that has taken center stage. Reiterating this charge was none other than MK Stalin. Listen in to what he said.
अपने ही जन्मभूमि में जहां लोग रहते हैं उन्हें मतदाता सूची से हटाना क्या ये आतंकवाद से भी खतरनाक नहीं है? எல்லா அடையாள அட்டைகளை வச்சிருந்தாலும் அவங்கள அட்ரஸ் இல்லாமல் போன ஆட்கள் அழிப்பொழிப்புதானே सभी पहचान पत्र होने के बावजूद उन्हें पता नहीं है, ऐसा दिखाना क्या ये विनाश नहीं है?